hello and fuck you. This is a box, and they are actually sponsoring today's video. So if you want 50% off your next box, go to box/Tommy. Now, if you can recall, in this video, minimalistic fishing challenge, I used box and it didn't go so well. But today they have offered me a chance to try again. So today we're gonna be looking at the latest box. Fuck. We got some stuff in here. They're obviously great at packaging things because stuff like that. It's very organized and good shipping. Got a cool Basara here. Got a cool Basara here. That's nice. Oh, Basara. Fuck. We got a bunch of these dudes, these doodads. I don't really know what the fuck these are, but I'm gonna call them bumblebees. I like these though. They look like they'd work well where I live. Then we got some crappie niblets or whatever the fuck. So that's fun. Ooh. Got some weird fucking looking jig heads. Fuck you. The last thing in here is a Skagit spoon. Skagit spoon? Skagit spoon. More like faggot spoon. Am I right? Anyway, so I'm gonna put this all back in the box and we're gonna... Fuck, don't look at this. That's not important. I'm gonna put this all back in the box and we're gonna get fishing. Lord knows how well this will work. Hello, we're here at the spot. This is the spot we'll be at for the next 5 videos. And yeah, so the first thing I wanted to try out with the box was the grub, or this bumblebee looking thing. Also, this is a very tight spot, so you might not see my face. Well, I've spent damn near 30 minutes with this thing, and I haven't even gotten so much as a nibble. Well, I figured out why nothing's biting. I forgot about this. I didn't even know about this chartreuse. It's not chartreuse, it's crappie bait. I did not know this was in here. Then we got some crappie niblets or whatever the fuck. So I was not using it. Well, the second I put the crappie niblets on, I get a bite. Oh, fuck. Caught a stick in my line. You know, this is the second time Box has sponsored me. They also sponsored me in minimalistic fishing challenge. And I didn't catch anything. I said in that video, Wyoming is the Adam's apple. And then after saying that, 4 months later, 5 months later, whatever, I come back and think, hey, maybe they've changed. And nope, they still suck. But I recommend now that you don't buy box, because they suck. That's right, you heard me. Box sucks. We're gonna try this doodad thingamajig. been here for 2 hours now. This drops to 15. So that's fun. Anyway, I'm fucking done here. So I will see you guys in 5 seconds. Anyway, it's gonna take about 30 minutes to get home, but I will see you there. With the power of editing, it'll only be a 5-minute montage, or a 5-second montage, not 5 minutes. Bum de dum bum 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 bum. This is a time lapse. Hi. So this didn't work out again. I don't think Box is gonna be. I don't think I'm gonna take another Box sponsorship because they're ass, and I hate them. I'm not bad. They're bad. Their company's bad. This is gonna be the last time you're seeing that spot for a while, because one thing I didn't clip in was a store manager yelling at me because I'm not supposed to be fishing there. So yeah. I know I'm supposed to do 5 videos at each spot, but it might be only 1 video here and then 4 videos at another spot, because I'm not really supposed to be there apparently. It's trespassing or whatever, I don't fucking know. Oh, trespassing. Get out of here with your made up words. This is America. There are no laws. Get out of here with your fucking rules. I have freedom, you know. I can go wherever I want. Anyway, so we'll probably be at a different spot next time. Yeah, I would like to go back there because I've fished there before and it's actually pretty good fishing. It's smaller fish, but good fishing nonetheless. This is actually my second take filming this video. I was gonna film at another location, same location as these videos, those videos, but I didn't really catch anything, and so I needed to at least make up a skit for the video. Yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I don't know why you did, so just leave or else I'll cry. Shit, that was supposed to hit.